On June 6, 2023, Michigan State Police Metro South Host received an urgent call from D Group 3 about a large methamphetamine shipment headed for Detroit. The target was a black Honda Accord with California plates, 9FSH407, spotted on Warren Avenue near Chase RD in Dearborn, NE. Troopers Olszewski, Mejia, Lunguski, and others sprang into action. They located the vehicle near Warren Avenue and 32nd St in Detroit and attempted a traffic stop. The suspect sped off, leading them on a high-speed chase through the city.
Through Lorraine, 89 miles per hour. It's making a northbound shock. And we're going to be on Grand River. We're actually going to be going southbound. I apologize. Southbound, 15th through 15th Street. And we're going to be 75 miles per hour, left lane. No traffic, no pedestrian traffic. Southbound Grand 215. Continuing southbound, Grand River through 12th Street, actually through Rosa Parks, and we're still in the left lane. It'll be 95 miles per hour, no pedestrian traffic, no vehicle traffic, very light vehicle traffic. And light traffic and no pedestrian traffic. Everybody have eyes on? Southbound 22nd. We're getting downtown. We're downtown, and we're east, southbound Grand River through Lee, and
The chase continued down Grand River Ave, where traffic slowed the suspect. Seizing the opportunity, the troopers executed a perfect precision immobilization technique pit, bringing the vehicle to a stop. With sirens blaring and lights flashing, troopers surrounded the car. Unable to see the suspect's hands, they smashed the driver's side window, gaining his attention. The suspect finally complied, raising his hands, and was subsequently pulled from the vehicle and taken into custody without incident. Thanks to the quick and coordinated efforts of the troopers, a significant drug trafficking attempt was thwarted, making Detroit a bit safer that night.
Anybody else on foot? Nobody's out on foot.
Only occupied one time?
One time.
Any weapons in the car, partner? Yeah, it's the window. I smashed through the window. I was trying to pull you up. I was trying to pull you up and you were going weird. Hey, Mike.
In the early hours of March 26, 2022, Bryan County Sheriff's Office was in a high-speed chase on I-16 towards Savannah. The pursuit actually began on Georgia 204. The officer, alerted by Troop F Communications, quickly adjusted his route, heading south on Highway 17. Sergeant Lewis McClam radioed updates from Chevis Road and Waynesboro Road.
13 right back. 13 is right on it.
13 Brian GSP's got the lead.
Yeah, 4. S4, 5 feet, 223, 1030, sir. He's blocking the pit. Round.
Roll over. Roll over. Roll over. Stay right there. Don't you move.
Executing a pit maneuver, the officer forced the suspect's car to flip and come to a stop. The driver, John Newton, and passenger, Sean Connor, were apprehended. Sergeant McClam explained that the chase began with a stop for a missing tag light, but Newton fled. Despite the chaos, the officers successfully brought the situation under control, with Newton resigning to face the consequences.
What's your first name?
John.
John.
Yes, sir.
Last name?
Newton. N-E-W-T-O-N. There's no way I can get
Date of birth, Mr. Newton?
Nobody got nothing to drink.
Who's all out here? All your people?
No, we all stayed.
Okay.
I was fixing to free up and go north end for you.
Nobody got nothing to drink, sir.
Will you do that for me?
Yeah, I can do that.
Thank you. I don't have nothing to drink.
I got something in the trunk.
Yeah, ain't no way to look.
That's it, man.
I mean, I'm not trying to be a dick, but look.
I really need something to drink, man. I'm about to pass out.
113, Brian.
Go ahead.
You run a black male, name and date of birth, please.
About to pass out, sir.
Go ahead.
A 37-year-old Coeur d'Alene man, Daniel V. Stinson, is being held on $1 million bail after a fatal shooting and high-speed chase on Thursday evening. Stinson allegedly stole a black Ford Explorer at gunpoint, fatally shot Noah White Peterson, 41, and injured Jeremy S. Pardue, 49, before leading police on a chase that ended near Gaza Road on Highway 97 around 8 p.m. State police chased Stinson's stolen Explorer on Interstate 90 and Highway 97, where it veered and rolled over after police attempted a special maneuver.
You're shipping with you very quick. His birthday is 07303. And the...
Advise if this vehicle slows down and up on one of these curves, I'm going to hit him. Pit maneuver attempt.
Confirm. Just try and keep it as safe as possible. There's not much you can do on this road.
I'm feeling he's going to come to a abrupt stop and get out and start doing whatever when he gets out.
Swear you have your rifle ready?
Affirmative.
Send information medical north doing.
So 46, I'm unsure of the occupant number, like possibly just one, unknown.
Trying to do location now.
I'll get him off closer. We're coming up to one right now. Milepost 88. Our speeds are still 70.
Heavy.
Roger 2 pit.
Vehicle to pit, Milepost 88.
Roger 2 pit.
Vehicle to pit, Milepost 88.
Vehicle's rolled over vehicle. Crash! Let's go, please! Somebody block the corner back there. Block that corner! Block the corner!
all approaches you slow down at the sharp corner right before we get here.
Copy. All units slow down prior to milepost 86.5, very sharp corner.
So 502, I'm injured. Oh no.
3502, medical in Rockville 3.
How bad are you?
Roll on left.
I think so, it's all on video.
20, 3.
You alright?
You and I are not.
Well, can you just ask him to come into service?
I need you to
At least for a couple hours.
try not to know seriously.
We're going to be down a few people.
I tried calling. I couldn't get out on
I
one
called as soon as you,
Copy, 20.
as soon as you,
One's a volunteer firefighter. He's going to shut down.
as soon as you hit them and they rolled, I called it out. So, but seriously, especially when I'm trying not to call them too much.
My airbag.
Yeah, but still.
He flipped like a Man, I kept getting close, thinking he was going to turn around and start shooting at me.
Yeah. That's why he kept acting like that on YouTube. So when I got that opportunity to hit him, I
Think I got two?
Stinson was found handcuffed inside the overturned vehicle. An Idaho State Police cruiser also crashed, but no serious injuries were reported among the officers. Witnesses reported that Stinson had a history of mental illness and had made threats of violence and suicide, including wanting to commit suicide by cop. The Idaho State Police and Coeur d'Alene Police are conducting separate investigations into the incident and the homicide. Thank you for always accompanying us. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to follow the next videos about the brave actions of the police force in maintaining law and order. Wishing everyone safe driving and see you again.